Looking for the perfect blend of style, space, and summer fun? Look no further. The Wylela Beach is here to redefine your pool days. The brilliance of Wylela Beach's design has garnered accolades, making it stand out amidst other pools. With its sleek and contemporary rectangular layout, it promises a sublime swimming experience. Spanning 30 linear feet, it's not just a pool, it's a realm of endless fun. Whether you're a swimmer or a sunbather, this pool accommodates all your needs. From invigorating lap swims to lazy raft floats, ring diving to shooting hoops, there's no end to the joy this pool promises. The Wylela Beach's expansive tanning ledge, large enough for 2 pool chairs, offers over 50 square feet of seating space. Perfect for those summer tan sessions. So why wait? Dive into the magic of the Wylela Beach and make every summer day count. Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. Let's make this summer unforgettable. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.